Hello friends, today I am back with one more interesting topic from electromagnetic wave theory. We will see some of the important terms that are asked in exam. First is voltage standing wave ratio, then we will see reflection coefficient, and for transmission line, when it is short circuited means load impedance ZL is 0 here, and open circuited means load impedance ZL is infinity here. So for short circuited transmission line, Zin, that is input impedance, is equal to JZ0 tan of beta L, where Z0 is characteristic impedance of transmission line, beta is 2 pi by lambda phase constant, L is the length of transmission line which is given in the term of lambda. Then for open circuited transmission line, Zin is equal to minus JZ0 cot of beta L, where again Zin is input impedance, Z0 is characteristic impedance, beta is phase constant and L is length, where ZL is equal to infinity, as here open circuited, so it is infinity. Then VSWR, that is voltage standing wave ratio, is 1 plus mod 2 divided by 1 minus mod 2, that is magnitude of reflection coefficient, where τ is given as ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0, where ZL is load impedance and Z0 is characteristic impedance of given transmission line. Then in general, input impedance of transmission line, any transmission line, is given as this expression, Zin is equal to Z0 into bracket ZL plus JZ0 tan of beta L divided by Z0 plus JZL tan of beta L. For infinite length, Zin is equal to Z0. For L is equal to lambda and lambda by 2, Zin is equal to ZL. And for L is equal to lambda by 4, Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL. These are some result. We can obtain this result easily by using this expression. Just put the values of L infinity, then we will get Zin is equal to Z0. Then for L is equal to lambda, if I put beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda and length is lambda, then tan of 2 pi it will become, and then again solving this expression we will get Zin is equal to ZL for both lambda as well as lambda by 2 length of the transmission line, and for length lambda by 4, that is quarter wave transformer, Zin is equal to Z0 square divided by ZL. These are some important expressions, so all the formulas are important here. For short circuited transmission line, Zin is equal to JZ0 tan of beta L. For open circuited transmission line, Zin is equal to minus JZ0 cot of beta L. VSWR, that is voltage standing wave ratio, is 1 plus mod 2 divided by 1 minus mod 2, where τ is reflection coefficient and its value is obtained by ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0. Input impedance of any transmission line is Zin is equal to Z0 into bracket ZL plus JZ0 tan of beta L divided by Z0 plus JZL tan of beta L. Then for infinite length, Zin is equal to Z0. For length lambda and lambda by 2, Zin is equal to ZL. For length lambda by 4, that is quarter wave transformer which is used in impedance matching, Zin is equal to Z0 square divided by ZL. Now I will approach to some questions that are asked from previous year GATE exam. Based on these all formulas, I have picked up 4 questions that are asked in GATE exam for 2 marks. Now just I am solving those questions. Z0 is equal to 50 ohms, ZL is equal to J50 ohm, then VSWR is what? This question is asked in GATE EC 1993. Here characteristic impedance Z0 is 50 ohm and load impedance ZL is J50 ohms. Then what is VSWR? So VSWR can be found out by using formula 1 plus τ divided by 1 minus τ. But to find VSWR, we should first find reflection coefficient, that is τ is equal to ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0. Now τ is equal to ZL, that is J50 minus Z0, that is 50 divided by J50 plus 50. So now if I take 50 common, then we will get minus 1 plus J divided by 50 1 plus J. So this 50 and this 50 will get cancelled out and we will left with minus 1 plus J divided by 1 plus J. Now we are interested in magnitude of reflection coefficient. So mod τ can be easily found out by using 1 square plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square divided by under root of 1 square plus 1 square. By using the formula, the modulus value or magnitude of A plus IB is equal to under root of A square plus B square. So here tau, that is reflection coefficient, is root of minus 1 square is 1 again. 1 plus 1 2, that is root 2 divided by root 2. So mod tau here is 1. So the value of tau is 1 here. Now we will find what is VSWR. So just by applying formula, VSWR is equal to 1 plus mod tau divided by 1 minus mod tau. So it will be 1 plus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So VSWR is infinite in this case. So now next question is, a load impedance 200 plus J0 ohm is to be matched to a 50 ohm lossless transmission line by using quarter wave transformer. Characteristic impedance will be what? So here for quarter wave transformer we have direct formula. It is quarter wave transformer, that is length is lambda by 4. So directly we will use this formula. Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL. So now identify what is Zin here. So here a load impedance is given, that is ZL is given. ZL is equal to 200 plus J0 ohms and is to be matched to a 50 ohm lossless transmission line. So here it is nothing but Zin is given. Zin is equal to 50 ohm. Then find characteristic impedance. Characteristic impedance Z0 is equal to Zin into ZL under root of Zin into ZL. As Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL, Z0 is equal to root of Zin into ZL. 200 into 50. So it will be 10,000 and square root of 10,000 is 100 ohms. So characteristic impedance is 100 ohms here. Now next question is asked in GATE EC 1997. Transmission line of 50 ohm characteristic impedance, that is Z0 is equal to 50 ohms, is terminated with 100 ohm resistance. That is ZL is equal to 100 ohms. Minimum impedance measured on the line is what? So here Zin is asked. We can directly use Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL. So it will be 50 square divided by 100. 2500 divided by 100, that is it will be 25 ohms. So the value of minimum impedance measured on the transmission line is 25 ohms. Now next question is asked in GATE EC 2000. Here open circuit impedance and short circuit impedance of transmission line are given and characteristic impedance is asked. So we will use this formula. Z0 is equal to square root of open circuit impedance into short circuit impedance, that is Z0 is equal to square root of ZOC into ZSC. 100 into 25. It will be 50 ohms. So the value of Z0 is 50 ohms. Next question is asked in GATE exam. Characteristic impedance 50 ohms. It is asked in GATE EC 2005. Characteristic impedance is 50 ohms. That is Z0 is equal to 50 ohms. Input impedance, that is Zin is equal to 100 plus J150 ohms. When transmission line is short circuited, what is the value of input impedance? Now again, what is the value of input impedance when the transmission line is short circuited? And this is input impedance for open circuited, so I can denote it as Z0C. Now using this formula, Z0 is equal to square root of ZOC into ZSC, we can solve this example very easily. Here Z0 is given, ZOC is given. Z0 is equal to under root of ZOC into ZSC. As here, when transmission line is short circuited, what is the value of impedance is asked here. So we have to find ZSC. So Z0 square is equal to ZOC into ZSC. and ZSC is equal to Z0 square divided by ZOC. Now just put the values. 50 square divided by 100 plus J 150. 50 square is 2500 divided by 100 plus J 150. I will rationalize, multiply numerator and denominator by 100 minus J 150. Now 2500 into 100 is 250000 minus J 250. 2500 into 150 is 375000 divided by, this is a plus b a minus b formula, so it will be 100 square plus 150 square, that is 32500. Now again solving this further, we will get, it will be 250000 divided by 32500 minus J 375000 divided by 32500. Two zeros will get cancelled out and divided by this, both can be divisible by 5, so it will be 500 divided by 65 minus J 77 by 65. It will be 100 by 13 minus J 77 by 65. Now by the use of virtual calculator, we can easily find these values. 100 by 13 is 7.69 and 77 by 65 is 1.18. So the final answer is 7.69. Sorry, here it will be 770, as I cut down only 2 zeros, so it will be 770.65 and it will be 11.8. So the final answer is ZSC is 7.69 minus J 11.8. So this will be the final answer. Now we will see again. First of all, we have taken all these formulas. That is, for voltage standing wave ratio, VSWR is given as 1 plus tau divided by 1 minus tau. Then reflection coefficient tau is ZL minus Z0 divided by ZL plus Z0. Input impedance of transmission line is given as Zin is equal to Z0, ZL plus JZ0 tan of beta L divided by Z0 plus JZL tan of beta L. For length infinity, Zin is Z0. For length lambda and lambda by 2, Zin is equal to ZL. And for length lambda by 4, Zin is Z0 square divided by ZL. For short circuited transmission line, Zin is equal to JZ0 tan of beta L. And for open circuited transmission line, Zin is equal to minus JZ0 cot of beta L. Now these were some questions we have just solved that are asked in GATE previous years for 2 marks. So please guys, if you find this video very helpful, I will try to provide the concepts with questions in my upcoming videos. I will come up with more important topics. So please stay tuned and subscribe my channel if you find this content very useful. Thanks for watching.